Hey there, wellness warriors! Welcome back to Fast Nutri News, your go-to channel for all things health and fitness. In today's episode, we're shining the spotlight on a superfood that's not just for Popeye. That's right, we're talking about spinach. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and has some incredible benefits for your health. So let's get to the root of why spinach should be a staple in your diet. Benefit number 1, nutrient-rich powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, K1, as well as folic acid, iron, and calcium. Eating spinach is like giving your body a multivitamin. Plus, it's like a secret weapon for your overall well-being, wrapped up in a tasty, leafy package. And who knew that something so small could pack such a punch of nutrients? Benefit number 2, eye health. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known for protecting the eyes from UV light and other damaging light wavelengths. So adding spinach to your diet could mean saying goodbye to carrots as the only eye care veggie on your plate. Benefit number 3, heart health. Worried about heart health? Spinach to the rescue! The nitrates found in spinach help in moderating blood pressure levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, its high potassium content is great for your heart too. Benefit number 4, bone health. Spinach is a great source of vitamin K, which is vital for maintaining bone health. Regular consumption can help in preventing bone loss and reducing the risk of fractures. Benefit number 5, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Last but definitely not least, spinach is a champion when it comes to fighting inflammation and oxidation. Its high antioxidant content helps combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. So there you have it, 5 spinach benefits that show it's not just a simple leafy green, but a mighty superfood that can contribute to a healthier, happier you. Whether you like it fresh, sautéed, or blended into a smoothie, spinach is a versatile addition to your diet. Enjoy diving into the spinach patch with us? For more health tips and nutritional nuggets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Fast Nutri News. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Together, let's embark on a journey towards a healthier life, one leaf at a time. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching Fast Nutri News. Remember, your path to wellness might just be greener than you think. Stay tuned for more health insights and tips. Fast Nutri News, bite into health.